Hello, this is absolutely fabulous. So what we've got is eggplants, which we've fried. We've then made a mixture of ground beef. We've rolled that into the eggplants. We've made a very simple, beautiful tomato sauce. It goes in the oven, it comes out, a little bit of cheese on the top. It is delicious, this one. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're gonna start off by doing some eggplants. Here's my eggplant. You can see I've cut it into that sort of thickness. Now I've got some oil in there. Now be careful with the oil. If you put loads of oil in there, it will soak it all up. They're fabulous at taking the oil. Above medium heat, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. We're going to fry these around. They're going to take just about 3 minutes aside. So as our eggplants are cooking there, we're going to get this mixture together. So in there I've got 500 grams or about a pound of ground beef. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add black pepper, a teaspoon of dried thyme, a couple of teaspoons of chopped garlic, half a cup of chopped onion, nice and small, and then some olive oil. I'm going to get a glove on. I'm going to give that a little mix. Okay, so these are looking beautiful. The pan's smoking away there. Out they come. And I'm going to get some more done. And then we're well on our way to getting this sorted out. Okay, so you can see I've got a nice plate there of eggplants. Our meat has been done, the mixture. We're going to make a quick sauce now. So we're on a below medium heat. You don't want any of this too high. In there I've got 4 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, black pepper, and then a teaspoon of chili powder and cumin powder, and 1 cup of tomato paste. So not too high. We're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, about 4 or 5 minutes. Really important to kind of cook the tomato out. Don't skip this stage. Next up, we're going to add some stock. I'm actually using chicken stock here today. You could use a different one if you want. I've got 200 ml. In that goes. And just for 2 minutes, we're going to mix that around. And this sauce is ready. So you're going to need something that can go in the oven. So I'm using glass. You could use metal or ceramic. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some eggplant. We're going to take a little bit of meat, like so. Roll it into that kind of shape. We're going to get that onto the eggplant and fold it over like that, and that's quite a small piece of eggplant, but like so. So I've got a bigger piece here, bigger piece of meat. Gonna roll that out into a kind of sausagey sort of shape. Place that on and fold it over like so. Okay, I'm going to repeat that process. Get it all in there. So you can see I've made 1 layer there. Now if you've got any meat left, just roll it into small balls and put it on the top. If you've got any eggplant left, you can just, like I have, you can just place it on wherever you want to. I'll just sort of break it up so that you're not wasting anything. So that step is now done. And then next up, we're going to add our sauce here. So we're just going to pour this over. And just like this, it's going to go into the oven. It's going to go into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'll leave some text of Celsius, Fahrenheit. They'll pop up at the screen, kind of maybe nowish. But that's a beauty. I'll see you in about 25, 30 minutes. And you can see that's still bubbling just out of the oven. We're then going to take some cheese. You can use any cheese that you want. I'm using some mozzarella here, but you could use a cheddar or a different type, anything you want really. We're just going to put that on the top. And we're just going to leave it just for 3 minutes or so. The cheese will melt down. And that is really super, super beautiful. Delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon.
Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel. All that good stuff. Keep safe. Keep well. Lots of love.